The Gratsch's Choir's Christmas cantata was successful this week. On 7th, they performed at Mokpo Citizens Culture and Sports Center. On 8th at Ulsan Culture and Arts Center. On 10th, they performed at Yeongnam University Kyeonma Art Center in Daegu. And from 13th, they will meet the audience at Bexco Auditorium in Busan. While the performance continued to be popular and filled the audience, Pastor Ok Soo Park, founder of the Gratsch's Choir, went up on stage and greeted the audience. The stage, which conveyed the meaning and joy of Christmas through different stories from the first act to the third act, received cheers and applause from the audience. In particular, the third act received a great response as there was a stage where the audience sang together. The 2020 for Christmas cantata will be performed nationwide until 22nd. The Myanmar IYF branch held a pre-Christmas Youth Mind Workshop at Rhine National Gymnasium on November 30th. With more than 600 youth in attendance, Yulin, CEO of Myanmar Tourism Bank, and Mans Huyen, president of Myanmar Thresher Association, delivered congratulatory remarks. Kim Jang-ho, head of Myanmar IYF branch, instilled hope and a sense of challenge in youths, and the afternoon was decorated with various recreation activities. The Myanmar branch said it will continue to spread the gospel throughout Myanmar. Good News Anyang Church held a World Culture Experience program for 400 third-grade students at Mun 1 Middle School in Gwacheon on 9th. Last year's program went well that the school requested it again, and this year, 7 members from GNC's Overseas Volunteer Group introduced the history and culture of many countries like Vietnam, Myanmar, and Germany, and shared overseas volunteer experiences. After, various cultural experience activities were held and were very popular. The Anyang Church Mind team said it was an opportunity for students to become interested in overseas volunteer work and develop an international mindset. Good News Incheon Russian Church held its first winter camp in Chuncheon on December 7th and 8th. After experiencing Forest Chuan's programs with about 50 people in attendance, Pastor Lim Hong, son of the Russian Church, preached the gospel to the attendees in the evening. Many attendees who heard the gospel rejoiced, confident that their sins were forgiven. The Incheon Russian Church announced that it plans to hold a winter family camp in January next year to spread the gospel. Lesotho Good News Missouri Church held a Taekwondo Mind Camp on December 8th and 9th. The camp was decorated with various programs such as Taekwondo training, Korean language classes, K-pop dance, and various performances such as Taekwondo dance and cultural dance, and Pastor Ju Hwan Shim gave a lecture on topic of connecting with God. On the last day of camp, a niche demonstration and award ceremony were held. This camp was a meaningful time for Lesotho children to become interested in Korea through Taekwondo and strengthen their minds through mind lectures. Good News Seo Busan Church Youth Association held a sports day event for multicultural people on 8th. The event was designed to help foreign workers who attend Korean language classes every Sunday to better adapt to Korea and build friendships with other foreign residents. Recreation opened the hearts of attendees. Additionally, Elder Ko Chang Ho of Seo Busan Church gave a mind lecture on the topic of the secret to happiness. The Seo Busan Church Youth Association announced that they plan to invite them to the Christmas Eve event and spread the gospel.